Today does not seem to be the ideal day for bike riding weather-wise, but it's okay. We're only going to the edge of Paris, to the Retromobile Classic Car Fest, where hopefully we're going to see a bunch of old cars and something brand new. Welcome to Retromobile. Not bad at all for a 50-year-old car. Interestingly enough, half of this 1935 Rolls-Royce Goshawk is made out of wood. And the 1932 Type 55 Bugatti. From Russia with love, the Lada Niva. Dakar ready. And of course, nothing is more classic French than the 2CV. Hard to imagine that nearly 45 years ago, my dad owned a blue one of these. Austin Healey Sprite, Frog Eye. Something else my dad owned when I was a boy. The first car I ever drove in my life. Apparently this DL15 belonged to General Charles de Gaulle. He even used it as his wedding car. Leave it up to me to come to an old car show and find something classic yet brand new. This is the new Royal Enfield Classic 650 Twin. Now, as the world's biggest fan of the Classic, would I buy it? Well, yes, if I wanted a Classic specifically. But being a Royal Enfield fan, no, for two reasons. One being the obvious lack in choice of colors, and secondly, because Royal Enfield also built this. This is the Bear 650. Built on the same platform with the same engine as the Classic 650 as well as the Shotgun and the Meteor 650. This has got to be one of Royal Enfield's most versatile bikes, not to mention good looking.